Dollar Pro Shopper here, guys. Christmas is almost here. Be prepared for those unexpected guests. Dollar Tree has awesome chalk writer pens you can use with a plain blank charger or even a pre-decorated charger. These chalk writer pens are excellent. They are washable with just a wet sponge or a wet paper towel. They come in 3 colors that I've seen thus far: white, red, and green. So just to let all your unexpected guests also feel welcome, John is on his way, and guess what? We're going to make John feel like he was always on our Christmas dinner list. So I'm just going to put John's name on there, and with some napkins and some leftover floral picks that we've gotten for the holiday season from Dollar Tree, I'm just going to fold his napkin up and create this place setting that is customized specifically for John. A basic napkin ring or whatever it is that you can find from your Dollar Tree stash. You know, we all have a Dollar Tree stash where we've bought all this extra surplus of things, or you just bought too much. And there you go. John's all ready to go. But like it happens sometimes, the holidays are unpredictable. And guess what? John no longer can come. So now what are we going to do? So now, because John's no longer coming, we're going to show you how easy it is just to clean this off. And now we're going to prep it for John's brother, David. It wipes off and it'll air dry in just a few moments. And we're just going to substitute it with David's name. And again, these are so versatile. You can even use them in the window, on a mirror. I've even written on a chalkboard with them. They don't come off as easily on the chalkboard, but any smooth surface like a plate or a glass, even my glass coffee table, I decorated with some actual snowflakes. So I'm going to prepare David's place setting now with another floral pick that I have from Dollar Tree from a previous year. And just that easy, in 20 seconds or less, David has a customized place setting on his plate, and he's felt like he's always been part of the holiday season. You can embellish this as intricately as you like. You can draw other items on there. Just be creative. Just be able to use this $1.25 chalk writer pen and other Dollar Tree finds. You can easily let guests feel welcome, even if they were expected or not. Little snowflakes on here, just to jazz it up. Get snowmen, snowflakes, whatever you like. Again, just be creative. You can be a little bit more fancy in your handwriting. This is just for demonstration purposes. But again, $1.25. And again, look how easily it cleans up. Don't worry about the chalk. We don't eat off the charger plate. Happy holidays.